Hello, good morning everyone. It's 8 o'clock. Your science period will start. Children, today we will continue the same lesson, but we will revise in short. After that, we will do book exercises and we will do the notebook work also today. We will write the defined words of the lesson also. So be ready with your book, notebook, pencil, eraser, scale, everything. Now I'm going to share the book pages. From there, you will be able to see the content book. Okay. Yes. First, we will read about the types of nest as I have already shown you. Let's revise. Why do birds make nest? Birds make nest to lay their eggs and keep them safe. And what are nest? Nest are the bird's house, home. Just as we built houses, birds built nests. They lay their eggs in their nest. The nest protect the eggs from bad weather and from enemies. Birds uses grass, twigs, leaves and stick to make their nest. They may also use pieces of cloth, cotton, wool or anything around them to make their home, to make it soft, to give the cushioning. Let us learn about the nest of some special bird. This is the picture of tailor bird nest. A tailor bird uses its beak like a needle. That's why it is called tailor bird. It stitches together leaves to make it nest. You can see in this picture, tailor birds turns both the leaves corner and make its nest. That is why it is called the tailor bird. The bird keeps its nest warm and cozy by lining it with cotton and dry grass. It keeps cotton and dry grass inside this to make it soft. An eagle? An eagle make its nest on a tall tree or in high place. The bird puts together few sticks. It uses mainly the stick to form its nests. And shape of the nest is cup-shaped nest. It forms a shallow cup. I have shown you on that day, na? And weaver bird builds a strong nest with grass and twigs. It pulls the grass in and out with its beak and weaves like a nest. जैसे वीवर धागे को अंदर बाहर करके वीव करता है ना, just like that tailor bird ये ग्रास को आउट एंड इन करके अपने बीक के हेल्प से नेस्ट को वीव करती है. द नेस्ट हैंग्स फ्रॉम द ब्रांच ऑफ द ट्री. The bird enters its home through the tunnel-like opening is present. At the bottom of the nest, a tunnel-like opening is present. And woodpecker? A woodpecker uses a strong and pointed chisel-shaped strong beak to make a hole in a tree trunk. That's why it is called woodpecker. It can make it. This is the only bird which can make a hole in wood trunk, tree trunk in wood. It then makes its nest comfortable by lining it with bits of wood. With the pieces of wood and wood chips, it keeps inside the nest for the cushioning of the bird. And children, there is one bird that is called penguin, that is flightless bird, and it lives in icy area. What it does, how it makes nest? It makes nest in non-icy area with the help of stones and pebbles present around them. It starts collecting, and after collecting it makes a pit and preserve its eggs and make a nest by using the different types of stones and pebbles. Yes, children, birds do not have teeth. They use their beaks to catch and eat the food. The feet and claws of the birds help them to hold the food and also to move around. They move with the help of their feet and claws, na? And birds fly with the help of their wings and tail. And birds have three kinds of feather. body feather, down feather, and flight feathers. And birds build nests to lay and hatch their eggs. Let's do the book exercises. Open your science book, page number 67, and take out your pencil. You will use the pencil to take out. Yes. Number 1, which of these bird has a hooked shaped beak? Hook shape का beak किसका होता है? Eagle. Yes. It is the different small birds and animals. Come to the second one. Which of these has a webbed feet? It's a swimming bird. It is duck. You will take on duck. It has a webbed feet. Na? That helps in swimming. A small skin is present between the toes और एक web का structure बनाते हैं. Now come to the third one. Which of these is a perching bird? Woodpecker, pigeon or hen? It is pigeon. Which of these uses its beak like a needle to make its nest? Tailor bird. That's why the name is tailor bird. Come to the next book exercises. Exercise, turn the page. Come to the page number 68. I hope you all have done. Now you have to just put the 4 ticks. Come to the next. 68 page number. Write true or false. Capital T for true and capital F for false. Birds have hollow bones that are filled with air. True, that's why bird can fly in the sky because it has a hollow bone and air is filled. Come to the second one. A bird uses its claws to change the direction while flying. It is false. Which part it uses? Tail. It uses its tail to change its direction. This statement, second one, is false. Write F. And birds do not have teeth. It is true. Third is true. Come to the fourth. Pigeons have broad and short beak. False. Come to the next one. An eagle does not make a nest. False. Cuckoo does not make a eagle make a cup-shaped shallow nest. Come to the third one, filling the blanks. Which feather help the bird's body warm to keep the bird's body warm? Down feathers. Long feathers attached to the wings of a bird are known as flight feathers. Now, parrots have strong curved beak because they have to eat crush the nuts which they eat. They have curved beak. The beak of the woodpecker is shaped like a chisel. Yes, it's a tool of carpenter because the woodpecker has to make a nest in bird's beak, has to make a nest in stem of the tree. That's why in wood. Most birds have 4 toes. How many toes? 4 toes. The other exercises we will do in the next class. Come to the notebook work. Children, open your notebook, the new page. Write. First you fill the index. Take out the index page. Write today's date. Name of the lesson. And define words. Okay, what is the name of lesson? Birds. Same thing you will write on the new page. Lesson 7, birds. Leave one line. Then you will write define words. Not in the next. You will write after this in down. Here is no space. Now this is the book page. Here you will write define. Define after the lesson name. You will leave 2 lines, then you will write as you used to do in your earlier classes, earlier chapter. Now, talons. What number 1 is? Talons. What is talons? The sharp and curved claws of flesh-eating bird. Children, don't hurry for writing this time because I will give this in the PDF form. From there you can write. This time you understand. You have to put a full stop. You have to pull a full stop after each sentence. And what are flight muscles? Come to the second one. Muscles that attach the wings to the bird's body and help in flying. And these are the movement. Come to the third one. Upstroke, the movement of wings in upward and backward direction. Okay? You will do it. For writing one define, you will leave one line, then you will write the second one. Okay? Come to the fourth one. Downstroke, that is the movement of wings in downwards and forward direction. Leave one line. Nest, the place where the birds live with their young ones. You can use 2 pages also, because these are 5 defines. You can't write in single page. So how many pages you will use? 2 pages. How many pages? 2 pages. Okay, children? These you will write from the new page in your notebook, and children, write neatly. Okay? And leave one line after each. I will share this. From there you can write. Okay? Children, just a minute. I am showing you the book pages. You have to do like this. Here. This is the page number 67. Okay? What you have done? Which of these birds have a hooked beak? Where you will take? You will take the C one. Which one? This C, eagle. Come to the next. Which of these has webbed feet? Duck. And which of these is a perching bird? Pigeon. Come to the fourth. Which of these uses its beak like a needle to make its nest? Tailor bird. First you will write here classwork and today's date. You write here. Then you mark tick with the help of pencil. With the help of pencil, you will put tick mark like this. After this, you turn your book pages. Come to the next one. That is the B, true and false. Birds have hollow bones that are filled with air, true. A bird uses its claws to change the direction while flying, false. Birds do not have teeth, true. Pigeons have broad and short beak, false. An eagle does not make a nest, false. Come to the filling the blanks. Down feathers keep the bird's body warm. Okay, DOWN. Long feathers attached to the wings of the bird are known as flight feathers. Come to the third one. Yes, parakeets have strong and curved beak. The beak of a woodpecker is shaped like a chisel. Most birds have 4 toes. Okay? I hope you all have done. The other next exercises and question answer we will do in our next classes. Children, what is the activity of this lesson? I told you earlier also, we will make a bird nest. But for making bird nest, we need different types of material. So from today, you start collecting the material. For that, you need a small dalia. Small, छोटा सा shallow cup type का कोई you will arrange, हाँ, जो ऐसा cup shape हो, nest जिसमें बना सकते हो. And what you will arrange other thing? You collect the dry grasses, dry leaves, small twigs, threads, and the cooler में जो खस लगता है ना, you can use that also, as well as nowadays you are eating that कौन खाते हो भुट्टा, उसके बीच में जो हेयर सॉफ्ट थ्रेड लाइक स्ट्रक्चर सॉफ्ट होता है, उसको भी हम यूज कर सकते हैं. You collect these all materials in a box, and after the 2 classes, when we will write the long answer, short answer, then we will do the activity. What you will do is, from today you will start collecting the materials needed for making a nest. Okay, then we will make a bird's nest. I will show you how to make a nest. Okay, children, this time from today you start collecting the material. Okay, and keep in a separate box. And when we have to make 1 day prayer, एक दिन पहले मैं आपको बता दूंगी कि in which class we will make the nest. First, we will write the question answer and other thing of the lesson. Na? Children, you write the defined words neatly, and you learn all the book exercises which we have just now completed, and learn everything. Whatever is taught to you, you must learn. This is not for the science subject. This is for each and every subject. Okay, children? And just now you start writing. After this class, you complete the defined words in your notebook. I am going to share that the thing in the PDF form, from where in your WhatsApp group, from where you will see the defined words and you will note down in your science notebook neatly. Leave one pages. In that page, it's written one by one. There is no space. But in your notebook, you will leave line and you will write neatly, and you will fill. Don't forget to fill the index, and you will fill the index pages for the lesson, because today we are starting the lesson word. Okay, children. Bye bye. Meet you soon in the next class, and we will complete the other work of the same lesson. Bye, children.